Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TikTok Analytics for SEO style content strategy. To begin, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Log into your TikTok account if you haven't already. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will open the settings menu. Select Creator Tools from the list. In the Creator Tools section, find and tap on Analytics. You will be directed to the Analytics dashboard. Here, you will see three different tabs: Overview, Content, and Followers. To download your analytics, focus on the Overview tab first. Scroll down to find key metrics, such as video views, followers, and profile visits. To export this data, take a screenshot or note down the information. Next, switch to the Content tab. This section provides insights into your individual TikTok videos. Review each video's performance metrics, including views, likes, and shares. Take another screenshot or notes of this information for later use. Now, move on to the Followers tab. Here, you can analyze your audience demographics and engagement rates. Again, compile this data through screenshots or notes. After gathering this information, open a data analysis tool like Excel or Google Sheets. Create a new spreadsheet to organize your gathered metrics. Input the data from your screenshots or notes into the spreadsheet. This will allow you to visualize trends and patterns in your TikTok content. Analyze the performance data to identify which types of content resonate with your audience. Consider factors such as video length, topic, and timing of posts. Use these insights to shape your SEO-style content strategy moving forward. Regularly check and update your analytics to keep your strategy aligned with your audience's preferences. Incorporating these steps will elevate your content strategy on TikTok. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.